Hey guys, Debamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good morning to all of you. It's a Sunday morning, and today one more precious resource of PCS Global is with me. His name is Suman Karmakar. So right now he is working in Cognizant and very successfully building his career. So hi Suman, this is Debamitra.
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Myself,
afternoon.
Suman Karmakar,
Yeah.
and
So,
I have joined PCS Global in the year of 2015, and I worked there almost near about 9 to 10 months. So
okay.
this was like the learning phase because previous this experience, I have never heard what is the company work experience and how to work like a project and how to learn anything. I have never have any experience in that. But after joining the PCS Global, I learned different type of technologies like Java, J2E, Spring, and Hibernate. So this was like a learning phase, and we were like the friends. Like there was a group, and in that group, there was something supervisor like Sabirda and Rajkumarda. They are the two seniors who were there. They guided us how to learn the projects and how to do the codings. So from there, in the step by step way, I have learned the different type of codings, and I have worked like a small project like employee separation form. I have done a minor modification in that and delivered that to that code. So this was my the small contribution to that project.
Okay, so tell me one thing, Shuman, when you are working in PCS Global, how it felt? Because you have started your career through PCS Global, right?
Mm-hmm.
What was the experience in
Okay.
PCS Global about the work culture, about the people to whom you have worked with, okay, who gave you that mentorship,
Mm-hmm.
okay? So tell me about that.
Okay, everybody was friendly like there, senior in the college like that, and we were like the friends. If
Okay.
anything, if anything gets stuck, I ask them, and they help us to solve that. And beside this, they guided us to how to solve that and how to develop the logic. And after that, I try to develop the coding from myself. So in this way, I have learned the codings.
Okay, so tell me one thing, Shuman, when you was in PCS Global, who was your mentor?
It was Rajkumar Da,
Rajkumar. Okay.
Rajkumar Haldar, and Sabir Da.
Okay, both of them provided you that training. And you have
Yes,
learned so many technologies in PCS Global, right?
yeah, yeah. Java, J2E, and Spring.
Java, J2E, and Spring. So,
Hmm.
how many projects you have worked in PCS Global? Only in one project.
Only in one project.
Okay, so what was the
Mainly, I focus.
yeah,
Fine, it was fine.
okay? What was okay? You are trying to say something. Tell us.
Yeah, and another mentor was there. I forget to take her name. Sanchita madam was there, Sanchita Pal. So she also guided us to learn the technologies.
Okay, he also guided you to learn the technology.
Yes.
Okay. So, Suman, right now you are working in Cognizant. So, what is the
Hmm.
contribution towards your work right now? Because you have learned so many technologies from PCS Global. So, how you
Hmm.
felt when you started working in Cognizant? Okay. So,
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
is there any kind of help you get from PCS Global after leaving PCS Global? Because that knowledge is sometimes is it helping you to grow in your present company?
Yes, the basic knowledge that I have gained is that helps me to work in this company. But according to the project right now, I need to learn many more things right now to work in this project. Beside that,
Yes, that
because
that is
because
you need to evolve
because
yourself. Yes.
yes, I need to brush myself and I need to upskill right now.
Hmm. So, the first platform, whatever what is needed to be a person to be a IT person, that PCS Global has give you that support, right? And you have learned so
Yes,
many technologies from PCS Global.
Yes.
Suman, tell me one thing. When you was in PCS Global, what is the work culture in PCS Global? How was the work culture and how what you felt like working with the team? And are you working in physical mode in PCS Global?
Yes.
Okay, so tell us about
In
that.
the because I work in the year of 2015, so it was the physical mode. And
Okay,
right
before
now,
pandemic situation.
yes, yes. So and right now, as the PCS Global in the Salt Lake office, there was another office like all of us remember. It was in the Cosva location. So I was mainly in the Cosva location and worked from there mainly.
Okay, you're located in Kasbah.
And after Yes, and after that, for small time, I worked in the Salt Lake location, but for the very small time, mainly from the Cosmo.
Okay, so tell me about the work culture. When you were in Kasbah office, there were so many people, so many employees with you, right? So have you enjoyed that time, that work culture,
Definitely.
team bonding?
Mm, Yes, we were like a team, and we do everything. We did everything like a team. If everybody goes bunk from the work, all of us go bunk from that
Okay, you
work.
have done that thing also.
No, not those things, not
Okay,
those bunk,
so
because
if
it's
if you
office.
have
It's not
done
like
if you done
if
that, there is nothing
we have
wrong in it.
no, yes, but we need like we were like a team. If
Hmm.
everybody does the same work,
Okay,
there may be separate tasks, but we did with the same task.
okay, that is very good because that team bonding is very much needed.
Yes,
Okay.
because now I feel that the to work with a 5 to 6 member team or a large team is very difficult, because synchronization problem is a very major problem in this big company, and
Right,
we need to cope up with that situation very fast.
right,
Within
right,
1 week or 1 week or 15 days, we
right.
will get time to synchronize.
So, what kind of message you want to give to the our youth? What you want to say? Because what in today's the job market, what we have seen that freshers are very frustrated. They are not getting any job, and for that reason, they are looking here and there. Whatever the issues we are reading in newspapers, you know all of that. Okay, so give
Mhm.
one precise message to the youth. What you want to say to today's youth? How they can
Yeah,
get a
def,
proper life?
def, yeah, definitely. If anybody's want to start their career, I can say that PCS Global is one of the platform that everybody can start from here, and they can start up from their learning from here and work in the project for some time, and they can from there gaining the knowledge, they can go to any other company for their experience.
So from PCS Global, they can start their career. Okay, it's not about PCS
Yes.
Global. In any startup company, they are providing the same thing. I think because we are all are here to learn something, and the best platform for learning is the startup companies. And PCS Global is not at all a startup company. We have completed 10 years in market, and we have already made 1,500 candidates like you, right? And they all of them are
Yeah.
working in so many successful companies, so very successfully in other companies also. So I have made more than 30 stories of success stories of candidates. I have taken interview all of them, okay, of all of them. So uh,
Okay.
someone, uh, what do you think, what is the lack of that candidates that they can't get the job? What is the reason behind it?
I can say that proper technical knowledge for the interview.
Proper
This is the
technical
main
knowledge,
point
yes, and one more
for
thing,
the
that is
interview.
hands-on experience, that is also
Yes.
needed.
No, hands-on. I support with you, ma'am, but hands-on experience comes to the second point.
Right.
First is proper technical knowledge for the interview, because I think that college does not provide the proper knowledge grooming for the interview. How we can give the proper interview for the if an interviewer asks suppose an hesitative question like HR round
Right,
or
right.
any technical question. So how can we get overcome that situation
Exactly. That is
like
the
this?
thing. Exactly. Whatever the theoretical knowledge is the only knowledge that we can help and just pass out the exams. But whenever we are going to join one company, we need that proper practical knowledge. And what I have said, that is the hands-on experience, because in
Mm.
companies are always looking for candidates who have that basic knowledge of doing a project. Okay, whenever you go given one interview, they have already, I think they have asked you about your hands-on experience, because most of the people
Definitely,
shared that knowledge with
definitely,
me. Okay, so I'm only talking
definitely.
about this.
Because yeah, because from my current situation also I am telling, if I am getting selected, because allot in now situation, for allotting to a project we need to give an interview and we need to clear that interview. After that we are get allocated to that particular project. If we did not clear the interview, we are not going to allocate to that project. The
Right,
situation is like that. Means entering like a company, we need to be prepared every time for getting in the project. And after getting the project, we need to keep us upskilling for ourselves to
right,
keep updated into that project.
right. So, guys, this is from Suman's side. What Suman has said, that we all need to prepare ourselves for in proper way to get the, because whatever the exact term is, the excellence. If you are learning is the only process to get successful and to be a excellent person in your life. So don't quit from learning. Each and every day is a new day of learning. Okay. So Suman, it's very nice to talk with you. Okay. In my
Nice to talk to you, ma'am.
Thank you. In my another session, I'm going to connect with you. I'm going to talk with you, and you will receive one memento from our side. That is the honorarium from PCS Global, that you have worked with us very successfully, and you gave us that opportunity to tell people that Suman was our resource. Right now, he is working in another
Yes,
company. Okay, so this is from our side,
yes.
and PCS Global is very much uh, obliged for the reason that you have already makes our name glorious. Okay, so this is
Okay.
for today's session. Right now, I'm going to
Yeah.
complete it. Okay, so bye for now, Suman.
Okay.
So I will
Yeah.
connect with you
Thank you.
any other time.
Bye.
Most welcome.
Bye. Ma'am, if you stop the recording, then I have one